Oh, that thing is still massive. It looks bigger than when I got up in it. It might be weakening, but it might still have over 200.
No, fuck off, you fucking edge.
It
Fuck off, you edge.
240 miles per hour. It's intensifying still. 245, 250. We're getting it. We're getting it. We got 250. Debris ball on Wadena.
Wow, this is awesome. Thanks. With the Sarasocas on my side, I knew we'd be unstoppable. So I told
We got the nailed house! We got the nailed house!
Is it gone?
We got it!
Is it gone?
No contento! Gone, completely gone. 262.
Wait, what? At 262?
Yes.
So it got slabbed at 262 miles per hour.
No. I think it got slapped more lower than that. But yes, we did get.
Finally. Finally. Good job, letter H.
Oh, we got it. We got it. We got it. We got the nailed house. I like how Sneed here. I like how the Sneed power plant is just chilling, like nothing ever happened to it.
We have a tornado that is
No
over
way!
there.
284! 286! It's still intensifying! It's 288!
I'm going in again. Here we go. It's right over there.
And it is intensifying.
I'm going in the Angora. I'm going in the Angora and I'm getting tornadic winds.
Oh, that thing just went straight on Wadena. Okay. So I thought that tornado was gonna head towards Chandler.
Oh, it's huge. This tornado has got to be 2 miles wide. I'm telling you, it's big. I'm going in. I'm going in. Going in. Going in. Here we go. $294, $295, $298, $305, $305. Oh my God, $305. 307, 307.
We did it.
307 miles per hour. 307 miles per hour. Oh my God.
We got 307 miles per hour.
I got that recorded. I got it recorded too.
Don't worry, not like oh god, hyper like No, but we got the nailed house, DI. We got the nailed house.
As you can see right here, these are some of the damage pictures coming out of Wadena. Wadena was hit by a 288 mile per hour tornado as it was coming in. The nailed homes were completely destroyed and swept away at 196 miles per hour with probe measurements. And everything was just completely destroyed. It was leaving the town with about 290 to maybe 295 miles per hour, where I had intercepted the tornado and got peak winds of 309 miles per hour. This is one of the strongest tornadoes that I have intercepted, aside from the 326 mile per hour tornado that I had intercepted, that later strengthened to 332 miles per hour, becoming the second strongest in this update. Well, last update, actually. But, yeah. These are the low-rise buildings. These are 3 stories. Those slabs that you see in the pictures, there's 4 of them that are those slabs. Those are low-rise buildings completely swept away. Now, the creators of the game did say that those get swept away at 300, but we got it at about 290. So, a little inaccurate, so we are trying to make a accurate scale to go for the Twisted game, other than the EF scale, because it does not go very well with the game. It's not accurate for the game. Those 1-story buildings you see over there, those are 5-story mid-rise buildings. Those supposedly go at 360 miles per hour. We have yet to find out what they get swept away at, if they really do get swept away at 360. And the last picture you see here, that's the Wilmart. There's nothing there. It's gone. Yeah, we didn't get recorded wind speeds from when that was fully swept away. But yeah. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on all the post notifications so you get notified for the next video. Peace.